Come on, horsies, follow me. Come on. What we doing? Come on, let's go. We got to go back to the field. No, you don't want to come back to the field? Come on. Hi, pretty lady. Hi. Hi. Oh, yes, you're a good horsey. Come on. What's your name? Those flies are pretty terrible, huh? Okay. You're good horses. Now, I'm not quite sure how to get you back under without getting you electric communicated. So we're going to have to... Hi. Hey, big guy. Boy, you are one big, strong horsey. Yes, you are. Let's go. Come on. I see you've been running around. So, not sure. Where'd you guys get in then, huh? Hi. You guys are good horses. I hate those flies, though, I'll tell you that much. Those are horses meet chickens. Horses meet chickens. Yeah? Hey, big guy. Hi. 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 Okay. Well, you are a pretty big horsey. You eating my grass. That's good. That means you keep me from... I don't have to mow the lawn. Okay. I think we come over this way, maybe? Oh. So you definitely came in this way, because... that appears to be a ginormous poop. Come on, guys. And there is another one. Lovely. Okay. What am I going to do with you guys? You guys want to hang out with me for the day? Who wants to go back to that stupid field? Nobody.